Are you tired of seeing the old home screen on your Android device? Well, you don't have to worry anymore since Google Play Store has tons of Android launchers to customize your smartphone. So I installed as many Android launchers as possible and started sorting out to pick my 10 best Android launchers. Hey guys, this is Rahul from Gadget Live and let's get started. Starting off with number 10, we have launcher iOS 13. If you ever wanted to use the iPhone but couldn't afford it, well, you are in luck here. The launcher iOS 13 almost looks replica of the original iOS. You even get the iOS-like feed where you can add many widgets like clock, weather, calendars, and so on. Other general customizing features are change icons, hide apps, wallpapers, and notification badges. To further make your phone look more like iPhone, you can also install a lock screen, control center, and assistive app from the same developer. There are many iOS launchers on the Play Store, but for me, launcher iOS 13 is the best iOS launcher for Android. Coming in at number 9, AIO Launcher. AIO Launcher is quite different from the rest of the Android launcher. It does not have colorful icons, cool animation effects, and themes. Rather, use the home screen to show various information that matters. You can see a list of information such as system info, which shows storage and battery status, frequently used apps, notifications, set timers, and many other things. And by holding on the search button, you can go to the launcher setting for further modification of home screen interface. That includes right-handed mode, disable the status bar, animation, speed, gestures, etc. To further enhance your home screen looks, you can enable or disable widgets. There are many widgets available like calculator, audio recorder, Twitter, exchange rates, news feeds, and so on. Although most of the features are free to use, but to take full advantage of this app, you can buy their full version. At number 8, we have Computer Launcher. If you want a Windows style interface on your phone, then you should try this app. It has an interface similar to the Windows 10 and also comes with a start menu. And if you are not a fan of Windows 10 style, there is no need to worry as Computer Launcher's theme store has many themes such as Windows XP, Windows 7, Galaxy S10, iOS 13, and many more. The launcher also comes with a built-in file manager, which I tried, and honestly, it felt like I was using my Windows File Explorer. I also tried to copy paste my files from internal storage to microSD card, and it was easy to do that. Besides that, it also has its own set of widgets like a clock, weather, battery status, RAM usage, and so on. There are many other cool features available that you can check by installing the app, and for fun part, you can also fool your friends by showing them you have installed Windows 10 on your phone, and if they are not tech savvy, they might even believe you. Next, we have Lens Launcher. When I first used this launcher, I was amazed by its unique style. It has no option to add widget to the home screen, no app drawer, no option to include a new home screen tab, yet it still looks way cooler while using it and gives my phone's home screen a unique look. The app is super lightweight, consumes fewer resources, and has no ads. That being said, it comes with few decent features such as change the size of icons, animation time, use of third-party icon packs, themes which includes dark mode and light mode, and few other small functions. It is one of the best Android launchers that not only gives a unique look to your smartphone but also consumes less storage and RAM. At number 6, we have Smart Launcher 5. Starting with the home screen, you will see a simple layout along with Smart Search. And if you swipe up from your home screen, you will see all your apps are sorted automatically in categories, so you don't have to waste your precious time organizing all your apps. That said, this feature is the main highlight of the Smart Launcher 5, which makes it stand out from rest of the Android launchers. Well, there are other common customization options available like changing icon size and pack, widgets, gestures, app notification badges, and much more. What most of you guys will love is this Android launcher comes with a theme store that have many free and paid themes. There are more than hundreds of themes to choose from, and it also comes with the wallpaper and lock screen stores too. Another cool feature in Smart Launcher 5 is you can hide app, but that's not it. You can also protect your app with a PIN or a biometric authentication, example fingerprint sensor, to keep secret from others. You can also upgrade to their Pro version, which comes with additional features like blur effect, multiple home screen widget, folder in app page notification, widget pages, remove ads and many other things. There is no doubt that Smart Launcher 5 is one of the top Android launchers in the Play Store and you should definitely give this app a try. Coming in at number 5, Poco Launcher. Poco Launcher was first seen on the most popular and cheap smartphone, Poco phone, and ever since they launched the launcher in the Play Store, 10 million users have downloaded it until now. The launcher offers a clean and fresh home screen, an app drawer design with no annoying ads or bloatware apps suggestion. It has many customization options like changing icon packs, transition effects, notification badge, hide apps, etc. Other than that, you can also enable double tap to lock the screen, which is a pretty handy feature. So if you are looking for a minimalistic design with a decent feature and an ad-free launcher, then Poco Launcher is the best Android launcher in the Google Play Store. Another lightweight Android launcher app on our list is Niagara Launcher. It gives your phone a fresh and minimalistic look. Besides that, it doesn't have an app drawer. Instead, there is an alphabetical list to access everything else. Although the size of the app is just 5 MB, you can still customize a few things like adding widgets to home screen, icon pack, text color, hide apps, etc. In my usage, the app was working fine and there was no lag in the app animation or scrolling through all the app list. This app looks unique from other Android launchers and also consumes fewer mobile resources. At number 3, we have Rootless Pixel Launcher. If your phone's performance has decreased or has low storage, then Rootless Pixel Launcher is the best lightweight Android launcher in the Play Store. The size of the app is just 1 MB and consumes less RAM. As the name sounds, it truly looks like an original Pixel launcher. The launcher is super smooth and comes with a few decent features like notification dot at a glance, themes including light, dark and transparent, and use of third-party icon packs. So if you are looking for the best lightweight launcher, then you should install Rootless Pixel Launcher. At number 2, we have Microsoft Launcher. When I heard the Microsoft launched its new Android launcher, I was expecting its launcher to look like Windows 10 tiles. But nope, it looks similar to the rest of the Android launchers but came with deep integration with Microsoft services such as Wunderlist, Sticky Notes, Outlook and many more. It also comes with a personalized feed where you can add many cards like calendar, sticky notes, screen time and a lot more. It also has a separate tab for news where you can read news from many categories like entertainment, sports, money, technology and so on. Other features of Microsoft Launcher are: 1. You can set Bing Daily Images as wallpaper and choose themes between dark, transparent light or system theme. 2nd, customize home screen and app drawers such as layouts, icons and so on. 3rd, has gestures like double tap, swipe up, pin chain and many more. It has many more premium features that you are getting for free, unlike other Android launchers where you have to pay for the premium features. The best part is it is an ad-free Android launcher app. Furthermore, if you are using many of the Microsoft services, then this launcher will ease up your task. Finally, at number 1, we have Nova Launcher. Nova Launcher has been in the Play Store for many years and it is one of the most popular launchers for Android. It has a wide variety of customization features available that most of the launchers lack. Not only you can customize your home screen and app drawer but also folders, icons, animation speed and so on. You can also enable night mode in the launcher that has an option to change the search bar, app drawer, drawer icon and folders to a dark theme. And if you want to access full features of the Nova Launcher, you can download their paid version. Some features of the Nova Launcher Prime are: 1. You can use many useful gestures like swipe up, double tap, 2-finger swipe, etc. to open up apps, shortcuts and any other function. 2nd, create custom tabs or folder in the app drawer. 3rd, option to hide apps from app drawer without installing. 4th, customize the size of icons according to your smartphone screen. 5th, enable notification badge with many customization options available. I have been using the Nova Launcher on my smartphone for over 4 years and every time I have purchased a new phone, the first thing I do is install Nova Launcher. There are many things you can do with the app which you can't even imagine. Also, it has over 50 million downloads in the Play Stores, and no wonder it is one of the top Android launchers. Well, that's the end of our list of 10 best Android launchers. Now comment down below which Android launcher you are using right now and which launcher you are going to pick from this video. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notification for more tech related videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.